Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing and customizing this 613 wig from Amazon. The lace on this wig is really nice and it's not thick at all, but I'm just combing it out to make sure there's no knots before I start toning it. So I put some hot water to boil and I'm going to mix it with some purple shampoo. So I added a few drops of purple shampoo at first because I didn't want the wig to be too light, but I still wanted it to have some of its yellow tone. So I'm adding a few drops here and mixing it, and you want to ensure that all the drops of purple shampoo are fully dissolved because you don't want no lumps or anything like that. As you can see, I'm adding some more purple shampoo because in the previous clip I clearly didn't add enough. After you're done mixing your purple shampoo, you want to dip the whole wig into the solution, and please don't be like me. I did not boil enough water, as you could see, but I did make sure to get all the purple shampoo water onto the wig. So I just let the wig sit in the water for like 5 minutes. You could leave it into 10 to 15 depending on your desired look, but this is what I did. I just finished rinsing out the purple shampoo and I'm gonna comb it out and leave it on my wig stand for it to dry. So it's now the next day, and as you can see here, the wig is clearly less yellow than what it was before. I'm gonna show the before and after on the screen so you can see, but I really like how it turned out. Alright, so I think I've done enough talking. I'm just gonna let y'all see the whole install process. Let me know if I should do an in-depth tutorial on how I install my wigs, like from start to finish, if you'd like to see that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt up, nigga, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, but the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bag, give me another hour or two. too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall apart. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Running trains for 3 days. Who wanna